Adam here from Revenue Lab. I want to jump on and show you just how easy AI bots can be deployed in your business. It can literally happen with under 5 minutes, and it's quite clever how far they've come. I think everyone gets a little bit daunted by AI, but AI is here to make things easier. There's no real code, it's just how you set it up, and I'll show you today how I'm going to set it up in Revenue Lab. So here we are. In the back end, I've got a conversational AI. I'm going to give you a quick rundown. I won't get stuck into the weeds too much because there's a lot you can do throughout the whole system with generating content, images, all that kind of stuff. But I'm going to show you pretty much the most common asked question, probably the star of the show is the AI bot. So what it can do, obviously, apart from knowing your business and answering your customers 24/7, it does it on multiple platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, SMS, Google My Profile, or Google My Business Profile. And then you've got like a chat widget. You've got 2 different chat widgets in Revenue Lab. You've got a live chat mode, and you've got one where you fill a form out and it transitions straight to SMS, which is pretty cool too. I opt for that as well. But the bot will come to the party there. Now you can have this at the start as suggestive if you like. If you can pick 1 of 3 options until you're quite confident. I'm an all-in kind of guy, so I just want autopilot. Then from here you go to bot training. Bot training, you can go exact URL, the whole domain, a certain path, but you can put your domain in here, and you can get your data. It's going to train all your links of all your pages and train it, and it is done. That can literally take a minute or 2. It doesn't take long at all. I'm going to show you a bit of a tip at the end of this video as well, and how you can make this a little bit next level, because actually you can see I've got a Google Doc in here, and it's, if you use ChatGPT, I'll give you this little hack. It's actually good for just your general business ongoingly, because it's customized for you and your business. So before I move on to the next stage, on this page as well, you can also make a Q&A, like a frequently asked questions. You can do it this way, or you can do it on the fly through conversations that have already happened, or even on the next part where I'll show you in this section is bot trial. It's like a thumbs up, thumbs down approach, but you literally just write like all the answers here, how much it is, as one of the questions I get. All these questions you can ask and you can answer it. It won't get it word for word as ChatGPT wouldn't. It will just relay it in the conversational tone that you choose. Let's go on that point. I'm going to configure the intent. You've got 2 different intents, main intents. You've got the just answer general questions, no booking appointments, or you can get it to book an appointment and you can point it to a certain calendar. Now, within Revenue Lab, you've got multiple calendar options, which you can sync to your Outlook, Gmail, iCloud, make it send a link, or you can actually do the booking, canceling, rescheduling, all that kind of stuff if you choose. Everything's customizable. The coolest part about this, though, which is another layer to the customization for your particular bot, is that you can edit the prompts, like who is the bot, what's the goal, and is there anything else the bot should know. Now, this is just an extra layer, and at the end of it, you can even ask like conversational flow, like, is there any qualifying questions that you would want to know before you respond? So, it's really good if you're trying to lead generate and you wanted to know if there were a qualified user or a qualified customer that's in line with your business. Now, that's pretty much how it rolls out. Now, for the speed of the video, I've already kind of pre-done stuff to show you. This is where you'll do the training, essentially, like the back end to see if it works or what it's picked up. So I've just done it. So that is the general bot. Now, there's a layer of this that's a bit next level, but I'll hold back a little bit longer because I want to show you what you can do on a workflow if you're doing outreach or had an offer, and how you can get the bot to work within a customized workflow. And I'll quickly just jump into that before I get to my little bonus of how I use ChatGPT. Now, I want to go to automations, and I think I made a test one. Yes, I did. All right, so in the test one now, obviously there'll be a workflow before this, unless you did a cold outreach one, but typically there'll be a trigger and all this fun stuff happening. But this is when I activate the bot. The bot would come in, and by the way, this is not much setup. I literally just pick the AI bot and it automatically deploys all this, so it's already done. So the AI bot, booking bot, I wanted to book into this calendar. It's going to try for up to 8 hours, and it doesn't spam, it's back and forth. And then I wanted to send the first message so I can control the narrative. So the first message would be, hey, first name, do you want to book an appointment? Now, obviously, I wouldn't go cold and just say that, but you get the point. So, and then I'll have a condition. Did they book an appointment? Did the bot time out? That's automations. I'm getting too deep. This is what it is. You can even look at stats as it goes, what was effective, what wasn't. Obviously, there's nothing been sent yet. ChatGPT, you can make custom GPTs. Don't know if you know this yet. If you don't know, it's pretty cool. Essentially, I made it ask me 1 question at a time about everything it needs to know to give me answers, right? So anyway, so you can configure that there. You can upload documents on here as well to crawl as well. So what I do, I let it ask me every single question till it really is confident that it can answer most of the questions about my business for me. Then I ask it to make a Google document for me or a sheet for me. I upload it to a Google Drive, which gives me a link. I paste that link straight into here, as I did, get data, it's done, and it knows my stuff. You can do this about anything, but that is my hot tip. Any questions, even if it's at ChatGPT and how I use it, let me know.